Hello and assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? I hope you all are doing well. As you have seen the thumbnail and the title of the video, we are doing 24 hours speaking only English challenge, and we will do multiple challenges. I hope so. And if anybody will speak Urdu, Punjabi, Pashto, Arabic, Chinese, French, any other language except English, they will have to do a punishment which the other two members will decide. You are wondering that who are those other two members, Hadi and Mustafa. I have called them, they are coming. So let's start the challenge. So now I have turned on my PS4. So we will play FIFA. This is my controller, okay? And I will start FIFA, I guess FIFA 20. And I have 22, but it's in the library. So it will take time to download. I'm starting FIFA 20 and I've called them. They are coming and we will play the game. And whoever speaks Urdu behind the camera as well, I will pick up the camera and he has to do a punishment. Okay, it will be a very enjoyable vlog for all of you guys. I know my English is very good. Don't mind. Just kidding. Let's wait and watch. Okay. So Hadi is here. Hello Hadi. Hello Adi.
Hello.
You have to speak. If I ask you a question, you have to answer. Otherwise, you'll get a punishment.
Hello.
What are you playing?
FIFA.
Which team you'll play with?
England.
England?
Yes.
Okay. Mine is Paris PSG. So Mustafa has gone to get the controller from downstairs. So when he'll come, and then we'll start the game. And any person who speak other language except English, he'll be
Which FIFA is this, brother?
20.
20?
Yes. So we the other two members will give him a punishment. Okay, are you ready? It will be a very interesting vlog. Do an intro for the vlog.
I don't know what intro you do.
Tell something about you. Mustafa had said something. Come on. Mustafa had said something in Urdu. The challenge I started, bro. Give answer. If you'll not give the answer, you'll get the punishment. I said this to Adi. What is your name?
Mustafa.
Why you first we'll give a punishment to him, then we'll start the game.
No, we shouldn't give because he didn't do the challenge.
Okay. From now, my rules are very strict about this game. Okay. Yes. The video is on.
This is going to be enthralling. Lee, this ought to be special.
Thanks, Derek. Good atmosphere.
Turn off, Adi.
Everybody looking forward to what should be a really entertaining game.
And the PSG
If
team
we have to turn
looks
off the
like
volume,
this.
it will not be.
Thiago Silva
No. You can touch this button. I touch this button.
plays alongside Marquinhos in central defence. Marco
Press
Verratti
it.
starts alongside Ander Herrera in
This
the
one.
engine room. And the main strike.
I've turned off it. I've turned off.
Guys, he has said a Urdu word now.
Which
now-
one?
And he is
Which one?
declining now. He
Which
is
one?
declining now.
He is declining
Which
now.
one?
Uh, which one? I cannot say which one. Then I will.
Which one?
First, do game pause.
Do game pause. No, I will not. Okay. You can tell which word. Swear to God, nothing will happen. You tell. Chade is the Urdu word.
Yes,
You tell.
yes.
Which one?
Urdu word. Chade.
He's not saying the What? Again.
You said game is.
I said only for him.
No,
Yes, I
you
can
said-
show you the
you
clip.
said I
I
saw
can
the
show, I
game
can
is
show you the clip.
Don't
I
lie,
can show you the
are
clip.
doing
Oh, Ojo, again Urdu. What are you doing?
You are lying. You said.
Again Urdu, you have said.
You said. You
Okay,
said.
yes,
No.
I know.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
then
did not
the
say
game was
started.
continuing.
You did not said. You did not say.
I did not say it in
Yes.
the when the vlog was started.
No, you said- you
Yes,
never said.
you said it three
You
times.
said game is positive.
No.
He said when the camera is off.
Yes, Mustafa. Now it's on you.
I think you both deserve punishment.
No,
Yes.
you. We are majority. I think Mustafa. No. Mustafa, yes, you decide.
You both.
I know that I have to do a punishment which they both will decide. Okay.
भी नहीं होता
Why are you crying, bro?
Why you crying? You you are cheating. You don't. You say
You
that I
only
will not
deserve
cheat.
punishment. Yes,
Why are you
only.
crying?
Only you deserve punishment.
Why are you
Why?
crying? Like the game is continue, okay? Why are you crying?
Okay.
Why are you crying?
Keep talking. I don't care.
Okay, bro. So decide a punishment. Hurry up, you have only 10 seconds. 10.
No, this
Nine.
is not you. You have
Okay, when they'll decide the punishment, I'll continue the vlog.
punishment that he show cameraman come here. Show the kite.
Bro, it's a 500 rupees.
Show the kite. Yes. Yes. Oh, this is all already
But,
clear.
but it will, wait a second. You know, Bahag, we have more tiered kite than this.
Yes, yes.
You know
Okay.
what
You.
We are pretty boys.
We give him
But
punishment that he has to clear.
don't broke the.
No, you have to block everything.
You have to block everything.
Yes.
Please.
Everything. Break
Everything, everything.
You have
They
to
are
break.
very ZULMING with me.
Injustice.
Okay.
Break the.
What?
Whatever this is.
But I don't know. Break the. I don't know what is.
Break the TILA.
Yes, break the.
What is TILA? I don't know.
Break the TILA.
I don't
Break.
know.
I thought.
I
Yeah.
am SHAKTIMAN.
Hulk.
Hulk. Ah.
Out!
Don't do this.
Game pause. I'll tell you what he said.
Don't it.
Now we'll decide the punishment for him as well, and we're gonna tell you. I decided the punishment. I told him.
Ice bucket. Ice bucket, ice bucket.
No, this is not just.
Come on. Because I said it when you were giving me punishment. I said it. Give me something that
You said it can be more extreme. You said that.
it's not extreme. I've also dropped it on me in the starting of my
Yes,
vlog.
That was the main thing that's
What?
why I dropped it.
You can change your clothes.
Yes, you can wear my shorts and shirt, this one shirt, and after 5 minutes you'll be dry and you can wear this outfit again. This shirt, take it, and shorts. Any shorts? I have. Take this. Take this one, shorts. Go change it. We are preparing the ice bucket. Come on.
Here comes ice for Burger Boy.
For Burger Boy, come on, let's go. Put in a basket. Oh no. Yes. Come on. Burger Boy is changing in the washroom. No, not this one. Oh, it's too hot. Put it here.
Like me.
You're a very dash. We'll put the water in it. That's it. And then.
ESLA. Tesla.
Oh! Urdu word! Hadi! Mustafa had said an Urdu word. Yes, let's go. La. Come on, bro.
Not for me.
Yeah, I will give you more bad challenge than this. Wait, let it be finished, then we'll start the vlog again. Continue, sorry. Ice in the water, and Burger Boy is doing his own punishment with his own hands. Put it in the water, then. Oh my God. La 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 la.
Sometimes happy, sometimes sad.
And the person behind the camera is also has to do a punishment. La 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 la. No. Switch off the is ready, and Mustafa has said 2 Urdu words. Now he has to do 2 punishments. Okay, are you ready for 2 punishments? Okay, bro. Hold this camera. Don't put your fingers in front of camera. Okay, come over here, bro.
Here comes Burger Boy and
Wait a minute, bro. Oh my God! Bigger boy, bigger boy. You have to hug Mustafa. Come on, come on, hug him, hug him. Hug him, hug him,
This is my
hug
first
him.
punishment. This is my first
No,
punishment. Yes.
no. Now we'll decide a punishment for Mustafa. Then we're gonna tell you, okay? We decided the punishment. He doesn't know it. He has to go downstairs and has to clean the house with a mop. Come on, bro, let's go. You have to pick up this cleaning towel. Pick it up. Hurry up with hands, not with the wiper.
TAKI. TAKI.
Yes, this is that. Come on, let's go. Oil chemical in your hand. Remove it. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. No, wait. Clean the stairs as well. Wait. Hadi, come downstairs. Change? Okay. Start the challenge. Whoa, no. Like this. Otherwise, see over here. Like this. Like this.
You said you.
You.
Wait, we don't have to do this now. I will come then.
Okay, wait. Vlog is started. Hadi, come downstairs. With the hand. Musa, with the hands. Otherwise, we'll give you 2 punishments. Come on, Hadi, downstairs. With the hands, bro, properly. Come on. Good boy. Come on, properly.
He said Urdu word.
Come on, bro, hurry up. From there, there is very dirty. Yes, properly. Good work. Come on. Hurry up, bro, we have no time. It's so slow.
This challenge has one advantage that he will wash his hand after.
Nice one, bro, nice one. Hurry up, bro. And you have to clean my shoes as well. Okay, no.
He said I will be cleaning your face.
Alhamdulillah, it's clean. Hurry up! We have no time. Come on.
Okay, I think this one enough.
Okay, bro. Enough. Thank you. We have forgiven him, okay? Now, the other punishment we have forgiven him because it was a very, difficult to do. Now, we'll meet in a short break.
Few moments later.
So the challenge is paused for some time because I'm going to the club and we finished the game. And how you're enjoying the vlog, like, share and subscribe for more challenges like this and more fun and more good challenges like this. I started the car, now I'm going to club to do some exercise, then I'll come back and then we'll resume the challenge again. I hope so you're enjoying the challenge till now. Yes, so we are on the roof to play cricket. Okay, hello Mustafa. Oh, the word. Come on, Adi. Let's give him a punishment. I'll give him a punishment after playing cricket. So be ready, Mustafa. Okay? Reply me, bro.
Okay.
What's up, Rafi? Oh, you can't say shukr.
Okay.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, LB is
You
allowed.
also said that word.
He's new in the game. Mustafa was also new in the game. I told him as well. Okay, so we're gonna give a punishment to Mustafa after the game. Okay, so today's vlog ends here. I hope that you like the challenge that we've done, and hope to see you in the next vlog. And like, share, subscribe, and comment as well. If this video will get 100 likes or 50 comments, or 100 comments or 50 likes, then I'll do 24-hour challenge. Any 24-hour challenge for you guys. 100 comments, and 50 likes. Okay, so I'll be waiting for you all guys to subscribe, like, share it on WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. So stay tuned. See you next vlog. Assalamu alaikum.